Today we'll learn how to load the Sata DVD-ROM. The transformer does not have extra space to load the Sata, so we're going to bridge this one and then we must definitely load it. Okay, so let me just take out this from my screws. Before we do a lot of things, I'll show you the deeper way to use the power line. Okay, this one, we're going to use it to work here. Okay, it's supposed to work here and here. All right, so here we go. Simply, slowly, surely, we're gonna get there. Let's take out this one. This guy uses the IDE one. Even here it looks like the one who was trying to insert this one had problems. Okay, now what we are going to do is to take this from the normal transformer that they have power line. Okay, this one is a power line, remember that. Then you have to make sure that it remains at least in a proper way to get in here. Okay, what we are going to do is we're going to use only the lines, the lines. Let's go for this color. Okay, before we go deeper there, let me just make sure that it's in a short mode. Okay, to get straight there so that I can mask tape it. Let me just curve it here. Alright, I just want to make a space so that I can add these cables from this one, because from that side the user will have a problem. Okay, the user will have a problem from that one. Alright, then we go for the first black. Here we go. Then let's go for the red. Okay. In fact, I should be using cable ties. Okay, or I should be using a cable cut. Where is it? What is that cable cut? That's too far. Let me proceed with this one. Simple, eh? I'm going to show you the rest of the cables. Alright, here let us take red to red. Okay, we tied red to red there. Let us take yellow to yellow. Okay, this is your 12 volt. Red one is 4 point something volt or 7. and then black to black. Okay, where is this black? This one. Let me just try to get the logic straight there. Even though black is black, it's the same. It's common. That's why it's too much there. Anyway, black is dominant. Alright? Then from here, let's make sure that we must tape those cables, okay? Must tape one, and then we go for masking tape 2. Alright, and then we'll go for the masking 3, so that it won't have to touch each other inside the board, okay? Then we go for the other masking tape of the common cable. Alright, this one we can just close it there like that. You see, now we have our cables tied up. Let me try to load it from the what do you call it? From the let me just try it from the drive itself. Let me turn it on. The drive is on now. Okay, you can read now. The drive is turning. Let me take it out. There it goes. Now it's time for us to check if this drive can be able to be detected on Windows or inside Windows. Okay, let us see. We shall have to turn a bit there so that we can be able to see more. Alright, let me try to align this for you, okay, so that you'll be able to see more. Alright, what's happening? This PC, it looks like these guys, they've loaded the password there, but from my point I can be able to check out the drive there. Alright, what's important is it's how you are going to work on. What's important is this one, is the cable ties, okay? The way you are going to introduce your cable ties from here. Alright, make sure that you tie them very well so that they can work without any problem, okay? Now we just finished with our drive here. It's coming out, and go back, okay? You can see the indications here. Alright, you can even see the inside there, the inner part, okay? This is what I've been doing. So if you want to understand more, just look at that. This is the drive. We just let me just turn down the system so that you can be able to see it clearly. We just here we loaded these cables, okay, together. this line is from the drive itself there, and I already loaded here so that you can be able to view everything, or it can able to play also. So here we go, guys. This is Rytech. Go and subscribe, www.hssp.co.za, and then you learn more on how to convert your power supply from the old one of IDE to a Sata one, and then you load it. Subscribe, www.hssp.co.za. We out.